Y'all alright? Y'all alright? Shalom, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, y'all about to get a treat. I am cooking 2 different styles of vegan lobster. I know! But here we go. Enjoy the video and I will see you as we taste it. Okay, so let's start out with some dry lobster mushroom. Do you see how pretty that is? Wow. All right, you guys, so we're gonna actually take a little small portion of these dry lobster and we're gonna put it in a coffee grinder. So if you have one of these, fantastic. And we're gonna turn this into a powder and you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with it a little later in the video. So as you see, I have it semi-turned into a powder. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on again and go ahead and get it a little bit more powdery. That's good. So let's go ahead and dump this on a plate really quickly because this is gonna be one of our top coats. I'm gonna be using Hearts of Palm because Hearts of Palm kind of has that texture of lobster. So since this is vegan, this is what we got. You're going to be using some oil as well too, your choice of oil. And now for the topping, as far as the seasoning, Old Bay is always the go-to. So I'm just going to drizzle some Old Bay on these Hearts of Palms. I wanted to point out that I left some liquid in there because that's going to help the seasonings and everything stick. So if you're doing it the vegan way, that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna dump it in that lobster mushroom powder I just showed you. I know, so exciting, huh? So let's go ahead and coat that with the lobster mushroom powder that we created so we can get that taste of the lobster without the lobster, because this is vegan. Haha. And then we're going to take it and add some Old Bay to some all-purpose flour. And this is white flour, this is regular flour. And we're gonna dump some Old Bay seasoning on this. Because why? I want the taste of that Old Bay to just shine through this. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. That's right. And we're going to put that aside really quick because I figured out I need to toss this. So let's go ahead and toss it. And then we're going to go ahead and coat this all over with the flour. And from here, we're gonna actually go ahead and take it straight to the pan to fry. Yummy. I know. It's about to look really good. And these don't actually need to cook very long. They only need to cook for approximately about 10 minutes or until golden. Look at that! Now I can honestly say that some of the coating did cook off as we were cooking it, but I'm telling you, this tastes divine. Truly divine. So with that, let's try it another way. Let's go ahead and get 1 egg and we're going to season this egg with Old Bay seasoning. That's right. And once you've seasoned the egg with the Old Bay, we're going to go ahead and take our powder. we're going to kind of follow the same steps as we did in the other tutorial, but instead I'm giving you the steps right here, and you're gonna take it to the fryer. And that one is the vegan. That one right there, oh my God, is the egg coating. So as you can see, it's so crispy. I am super excited to want to try this. So I hope you guys try this recipe, and I will see you as I'm tasting. Let me include, I am also hooking it up with some Blovelife sauce, baby. Yes. Welcome back, you guys. You guys have made it to the end. Look at this. Oh, do you see that? I even got some Blovelife sauce back there. Ooh. Okay, so this one right here is straight vegan. This one over here, I added egg. So to give a little crispy effect, you know. So now I'm going to try it because I want to try it with that lobster mushroom that I basically ordered. The lobster mushroom, you guys, you can actually get that on. You can get that on Amazon. I know. It's really late over here, so this is not going to be very long, but I want to get into this. Okay. Here we go. Let's try the vegan one first. Dip it in that Blovelife sauce. Oh yeah. I gotta get all of the onions, ginger. That is good. I didn't even give y'all a bite. I'm so sorry. Hold on. I'm gonna give you a bite of this one. There you go. Take a bite. I'm gonna give you a bite with some Blovelife sauce. Take a bite. Oops. There we go. Take a bite. I definitely like both of them, but preferably I do prefer the egg on it because the egg is just extra crispy. That is definitely really good. Let's go with another one. Let's get another one. Man, y'all gotta try this recipe. Woo! I got the spicy Blovelife sauce right here. Woo, yeah. I still got a kid. Really good. Make you want to sing like that. Woo! Make you want to sing. So, you guys definitely have to try this recipe, especially with Blovelife sauce, because it just takes it to another level, for real. With that, you guys, thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe.